Hello everyone, today I will be making egg bhurji or scrambled egg spicy Indian style. For that I have taken about half a spoon of ghee, add 1 tablespoon of oil. To this we will be adding chopped onion. I have chopped 1 onion. Saute this for about 2 minutes on high flame. After 2 minutes add chopped tomatoes into this. Add 3 chopped green chilies. Add 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger. Saute this for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add half a teaspoon of salt into this. Add half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Add 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala or Indian spice powder. Add 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder. Add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder. Add 1/4 teaspoon of raw mango powder. Now mix this well and saute this on a low flame for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I have beaten eggs with a pinch of salt. These are about 2 eggs. Add these eggs into the mixture. The flame to medium to high and scramble these eggs. As the eggs cook, we are going to scramble them along with the tomato and onion mixture. I'll dish out and I'll show you how the recipe looks like. If you like this recipe, please like, share and comment on my channel. Thank you all so much for supporting my channel. Take care. Bye bye.